Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will show you how to change photo order in Instagram Carousel after posting. First of all, open your Instagram app from your mobile device. Then click on profile icon in the right bottom. Open a Carousel that you have shared. Here are 4 images in a Carousel and we want to change the first image. You can see this is the first image and we want to change it. What we have to do is that we have to click on 3 dots at top right corner. Here you will see different options. Click on edit. Now delete the images that appear first of your desired image. For example, we delete this picture and this also. This is the picture that I want to show the first image. So we will save it and go back to profile. Now click on 3 lines at top right corner. Here you will see different options. You have to click on your activity option at third number. Here you can see all the activities you have done on your Instagram account. You have to scroll down and click on recently deleted. Here you can see the images that you have deleted from that carousel. Open the image, click on 3 dots and choose restore. And again click on restore. Now the image is restored. Similarly, you can also restore the second image. Now go back to your profile and see that carousel. All the 4 images are available in that carousel and the first image is also changed. This is the easy and simple way to change the photo order in Instagram carousel. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos.